Let's talk about classes and objects. So a class is code that specifies the attributes and member functions that a particular type of object may have. It's important to note that a class, what we have right here, it's not an object, but instead it's a description of an object. When a program is running, and that would be like if we come down here and we have an int main, and then inside of here we have a call to the class. So this class student, we do student S1. S1 is an object of the student class. It's important to memorize that. Remember, this is a class and you can make many objects of this class. The class itself is not an object, but a description of the object. Again, in our main, when the program is running, it uses the class to create in memory as many objects of a specific type as needed. Every object created from a class is called an instance of our class. So S1 will be an instance. I just gave a little example right here what a class will look like. So you can have like private members, variables, and then you can have public methods that this would be able to access. So if I do S1 dot, you can see we have age up, get ID, and print and set ID, but we don't have access to any of these private variables. So this is the basic structure of a class. I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but now you know the difference between classes and objects.